Okay, we are over at Aldridge and we have a Dahua AirShield intruder alarm system. This is the wireless starter kit. Let's open up the box and find out what we got on the inside. Okay, we start off with the main part, the Hub 2. So of course this is the centralized processing unit of the intruder alarm technology. Everything will be connecting to this on the 868 frequency, and it being a Hub 2, this is our more advanced model with a lot more features and options on the product. We will also have the PIR detector available. This unit comes with the key fob with away, home, disarm and SOS. And we also have a door contact. So in the event that the door is opened, the alarm will be triggered. Okay, an excellent starter kit.